My YouTube channel Appium Guide. As a part of our Appium driver session creation approaches, we are discussing on 5 approaches. In previous video we have discussed approach 1, that is the option based approach. In this video we are going to discuss the second approach, that is the capability loading approach here. Okay, so we'll see what exactly this capability loading approach. Okay, so for that one we open the VS Code. Okay, so in previous video we have created this file for the option based approach. So now we will create one more file and name this file as load capability approach. Okay, so this is the file name I'm going to give. Okay, under this folder is the Appium driver installation approach. Just click on new file and name this file as load capability approach.py. Okay, so these all files I'm uploading in the GitHub. Already I have uploaded this first one, that is a basic option load based approach. Okay, now we are going to discuss on the load capability approach. We'll see what exact difference here. Okay, this is used for the creation of Appium driver or Appium session creation here. Okay, so this is the capability loading approach. Okay, so what we will do, just add a comment and just say as, just copy this one and just see it and rename as okay, capability loading approach. Go back to VS Code, capability, other capabilities, loading approach. Capability loading approach for Appium driver session creation here. Okay, we'll see how the approach look like here, how the code look like here. Okay, and we see the difference also. Okay, the first we need to import from Appium module. I need to import the web driver. Once we import web driver, the second one is we are working on Android, so I had to use the module appium dot options. So we need to define the capabilities, right? So I'm using options and we are working on Android, so we select the Android module and import UI automated to options 2, UI automated to options class. Okay, here if you see in approach 1 we have used options.ui automated to, and then we have used these variables which are there in our UI automated to options class here. So we have provided the values here, but in the load capability approach we will not define like this. We'll create a dictionary object. Okay, so what I will do, I create dictionary object desired underscore caps. This is the dictionary object I'm going to create. Okay, and here I'm going to define the capabilities here. Okay, that's the first capability. What I say, platform name, is Android, and now come on, then automation. These are the mandatory capabilities. Okay, to create a session to initialize a driver. Okay, so automation name, that is we are going for Android, so we have to use UI automator 2. Okay, we automator 2 here. Okay, so these are the two capabilities I am going to use here. This is mandatory capabilities. Okay, working on Android, so we have to use Android one. Okay, so we created a dictionary in the Python and I named this dictionary as a desired capabilities. Now what I will do, I create a variable options. Then we get an object here on, okay, object on what? So UI or automated to options dot here. See, the approach is different here. So what I am using, options equal to UI automated to options class, and then I had to use load load capability. I had used a method called load capability, okay, and I need to pass the values here. So it accepts the dictionary here. So dictionary, what it is, I have already created it, desired cap, this provide this desired capability here. That's it, desired capability here. So here I'm creating a desired capabilities in a separate dictionary, and then I'm using the options equal to UI automated to options dot load capability method I'm using, and for this method I'm passing the desired capabilities, that is the capabilities I'm passing here, okay. And the same we are using the driver dot driver equal to web driver, the same one, remote, and then the local host, that is a http. Let's copy this one. Instead of typing, just copy this one, paste it here. That's it. And here I need to pass the options equal to options. That's it. See, if we see this approach, here what we are doing, we are define the capability in the dictionary, and then this passing this dictionary object to the load capability of the UI automated to options here. So this is this approach, this way of writing the code, okay, is known as the capabilities loading approach for the Appium driver assessment creation here. If you see here, you can see the clear difference here. So because I am explaining these things, because when you see the code as a beginner, if you see the code, you can get confused. Here I am using like this, okay, to create a session or driver. Okay, I am using like this. We are defining the capability in this way, and you are passing the capability to the remote. Okay, but here what I am doing, I am following different approach where I am creating separated desired capabilities, and I am passing to the load capabilities method here. So this type of approach is known as a capability loading approach here. So this is all about this video. Okay, I am uploading this script to the GitHub here. Okay, in next video we are going to discuss on, please try to write this code in your system and run this code. Okay, let me know is working fine or not. Okay, so as a part of these approaches, in next video we are going to discuss the dynamic capability approach here. So we'll see what exactly this dynamic capability approach in next video here. So if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.